In this video, I'll explain the concept of host clustering and how it can be used for availability, performance, and storage purposes. A cluster is simply a logical grouping of ESXi hosts. So let's say, for example, we have this group of 4 hosts that you see in our slide here, and you want to automate certain aspects of how virtual machines run on those hosts. Like, for example, maybe we want to say, if any of these hosts fail, we want to reboot those virtual machines on that host, on other hosts. We want to protect ourselves from a host failure by rebooting any affected VMs on other hosts. This is called high availability, and it's one of the features supported on a host cluster. Or maybe we want to automatically move virtual machines around in case one of these hosts starts to get overwhelmed. Maybe we want to ensure that we have an equal workload on all 4 of these hosts at all times. And we don't want to manually monitor and move VMs around ourselves. We want it to happen automatically. We can do that by creating a DRS, or Distributed Resource Scheduler cluster. We can also take advantage of certain storage features by creating a cluster. So let's say, for example, you don't want to invest in a hardware storage array, but you want to use the local storage and local SSD capacity of a group of ESXi hosts and leverage that local storage to create shared storage so that you can support features like DRS or vMotion. We can do that by creating a virtual SAN cluster. These are all clustering features that we'll spend more time on as we work our way through the remainder of this course. But for now, the main thing to understand is that we can create a host cluster using vCenter to logically group together a number of ESXi hosts. And by grouping them together, we can enable features like HA, DRS, virtual SAN,